memorize yan eh.
Anyway, Kapampangan pageant kings and queens are very prominent on the national stage. Sa iyong palagay, ano kaya ang meron sa mga konteserong Kapampangan at bakit napakalakas nila sa national stage?
Thank you for that question. I believe that it's very evident that Kapampangan Queens and Kings are very powerful in terms of pageant industry. I think the main reason is that there is an organization that really supporting them all throughout, from the very first start of their crowning up to the very end. If you have that support system, you will be able to compete well, and I believe that they are all well prepared, not only emotionally, mentally, of course, financially, because of the organization support. Thank you.